Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, a true powerhouse in the world of smartphones. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the exclusive reviews in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel and start saving money on your phone purchases today. The S21 Ultra features a stunning 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2x display. With a resolution of 3200 x 1440 pixels, every image comes to life with incredible clarity and vibrant colors. The S21 Ultra is equipped with Samsung's Exynos 2100. No matter which version you have, you can expect blazing fast performance and smooth multitasking. The S21 Ultra offers an impressive RAM option of 12GB or 16GB. This ensures seamless switching between apps or effortless multitasking. When it comes to storage, you have choices of 128GB, 256GB or 512GB. Need more? No problem. It also supports expandable storage via microSD card slot. Now let's talk about the camera, where the S21 Ultra truly shines. It features a quad camera setup at the rear, including a jaw-dropping 108 megapixel ultra-wide lenses. This lens captures incredible detail and clarity in every shot. Accompanying it is a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing expansive landscape or group photos. But what sets the S21 Ultra apart is its zoom capabilities, with not one but two telephoto lenses. It offers 3x and 10x optical zoom. And if that wasn't enough, it supports up to an astonishing 100x space zoom. Say goodbye to blurry distant shots and get up close to the action. On the front, you will find a 40 megapixel selfie camera. Take stunning self-portraits and video calls with incredible clarity and detail. Powering all these amazing features is a robust 5000 mAh battery. It keeps you going throughout the day and supports fast charging, so you can quickly top up your battery when needed. With typical usage, which includes activities like browsing the web, streaming videos, and using social media apps, you can expect the battery to last anywhere between 8 to 12 hours. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is a true flagship device, pushing boundaries with its stunning display, powerful performance, impressive RAM and storage options, exceptional camera capabilities, and long-lasting battery life. And that concludes our today's video. If you want to save money on your dream phones, subscribe to our channel and never miss out any updates on fantastic deals for renewed smartphones.